This is question number 20 from the June 2017 Geometry Regents exam. So we're given the quadrilateral blue shown below, and it tells us that the line BE is congruent to the line UL. So we know that because of that, these are the same length. And it says which information would be sufficient to prove that the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Of course, a parallelogram means that the two horizontal lines are parallel and the other two opposite lines, the diagonal ones, are also parallel. So there are a few different ways to prove a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. One is to prove that both pairs of opposite sides are congruent. So we can see if one of these four options is that the line BL is congruent to EU. That would prove it. But glancing through this, I can see that's not one of those options. So that method would not work. Another way to prove a parallelogram is to show that one pair of opposite sides is both congruent and parallel. So since we already know that BE and UL are congruent, if we could also prove that they're parallel, so that BE is parallel to LU, that would be a solid proof that it is a parallelogram. And looking through our potential options, we can see that option number 2 matches that. And so that would be a good enough proof. That's all for the video, and thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.